What if I told you one person is running an entire marketing agency alone and outperforming teams of 10? No writers, no designers, no media buyers, no analysts, just one laptop and AI. This isn't the future. It's already happening. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how this AI system replaced 4 major agency roles in less than 30 days. Most marketing agencies rely on 4 core positions: a content writer, a graphic designer, an ad specialist, and a data analyst. Each role costs money. Each role takes time. Each role requires coordination. Now imagine replacing all 4 with intelligent automation. First, content creation. This agency used to spend thousands every month on blog posts, email campaigns, ad copy, and social media captions. Now AI generates long-form articles in minutes, writes high-converting ads, builds email sequences automatically, and repurposes one idea into multiple formats instantly. What used to take days now takes minutes, and performance actually improved because the system was optimized for conversion. Next, design. Logos, ad creatives, thumbnails, landing page graphics. Instead of waiting for revisions, AI image systems now generate multiple variations in seconds. Need 5 creatives for A/B testing? Done. Need a scroll-stopping thumbnail? Done. No delays, no bottlenecks, no creative slowdown. Then comes media buying. AI tools now analyze campaign performance in real time, automatically adjusting budgets, pausing underperforming odds, scaling winning campaigns, and identifying new audience segments. What once required constant manual monitoring now runs on automated optimization. The result is lower costs, higher returns, and faster scaling. Finally, reporting and analytics. Before automation, reporting meant exporting data, building spreadsheets, and preparing presentations. Now AI pulls live data from dashboards, summarizes results, explains performance shifts, and even predicts trends. Reports that once took hours are generated in minutes. In just 1 month, the agency reduced operational costs by over 60%. Project turnaround time dropped by nearly 70%. Profit margins increased significantly. But the most important shift wasn't cost savings. It was focus. Instead of managing repetitive tasks, the owner focused on strategy, partnerships, and growth. AI didn't eliminate the agency. It removed inefficiency. The agencies that survive in the next 5 years won't be the biggest. They'll be the smartest. They won't rely on larger teams. They'll rely on stronger systems. The real question isn't whether AI will replace agencies. It's whether AI-powered agencies will replace everyone else. The future belongs to operators who build systems instead of chasing tasks, who automate execution and focus on vision. The businesses winning tomorrow won't be hiring more people. They'll be building smarter systems.